friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious sweet lemongrass pandan water. Hope you like it. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea can help improve anemia, harmonize the stomach and intestines, regulate oil secretion, lower blood lipids, relieve neurasthenia, etc. Lemongrass. Pandan leaves. Wash pandan leaves and tie the knots. Wash lemongrass and flatten with knife back. Add lemongrass and pandan leaves into soup pot. Sliced ginger. Add ginger slices and cook for 30 minutes. Smell great after cooked for 30 minutes. Add rock sugar to taste. Lemongrass pandan water is done. If you like spicy taste, you can add more ginger slices. A cup of hot lemongrass water is really comfortable. This drink is good for digestion, helps to regulate high blood pressure, boosts metabolism, heals colds and flu, and helps the body's system function better overall. Lemongrass usually has the effects of dispelling wind and dampness, reducing swelling and relieving pain, and can be used to treat all rheumatic diseases. Lemongrass can also be used to treat traumatic injuries, such as local redness, swelling, heat and pain caused by trauma. For women, it can also be used to treat irregular menstruation and menstruation caused by dampness blocking the lower part of the body. Thatch is very depleting of qi and hurts yin, so some people with weak constitutions should not eat lemongrass. Lemongrass has anti-asthmatic and antitussive effects, and also has good anti-inflammatory effects. It has a certain inhibitory effect on Staphylococcus aureus, pneumococcus, and Streptococcus B. It can treat colds, fever, diarrhea, headaches and other discomfort symptoms. It has diuretic and skin moisturizing effects. It can be used under the guidance of a doctor. While using warm water, it is beneficial to promote drug metabolism. Pandan leaf is a famous spice plant, which is called differently in different places, such as pandan leaf, etc. It generally grows in tropical and subtropical areas near the equator. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.